Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make OBS record your mouse cursor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your capture sources are listed and managed. In the Sources panel, locate and right-click on Display Capture. From the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window where you can adjust all the settings specific to your display capture source. The Properties window gives you control over exactly what gets recorded when you're capturing your screen. Now, within this Properties window, you'll see several options and checkboxes. Look for the checkbox labeled Capture Cursor and make sure to check it. Enabling this option tells OBS to include your mouse cursor movements in the display capture recording, which is essential if you want viewers to follow along with what you're clicking and doing on screen. After checking the Capture Cursor box, navigate to the bottom right corner of the Properties window and click OK. This saves your changes and closes the Properties window, applying the cursor capture setting to your display capture source. Next, you'll need to repeat this process for another capture source. Go back to the Sources panel in the bottom left corner, but this time right-click on Window Capture Source. Again, select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens the Properties window for your window capture source, which functions similarly to display capture but focuses on specific application windows. Just like before, look for the checkbox beside Capture Cursor and check it. This ensures that when you're recording a specific window, your mouse cursor will be visible in that recording as well. Having the cursor visible across both capture types gives you flexibility depending on which recording mode you're using. Once you've checked the box, click OK in the bottom right corner to save these settings and close the Properties window. Now both your display capture and window capture sources are configured to record your mouse cursor during recordings or streams. At this point, go ahead and close OBS completely. This step is important because you're about to relaunch it with elevated permissions, which sometimes requires a fresh start of the application. Now locate the OBS icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Right-click on the OBS icon and from the menu that appears, select Run as Administrator. Running OBS with administrator privileges ensures that it has full access to capture your screen and cursor without any permission conflicts that might prevent the cursor from showing up in your recordings. And there you have it. Your OBS is now fully configured to capture your mouse cursor in both display and window capture modes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.